You are now tuned into a close Unplugged and Uncut with your girl sounds of Shar'e. I'm bringing you the fashion line from the Passion for Fashion Week Garden series featuring Urban Hippie. This episode is brought to you by The Retreat USA. It's a vibe.
Hey everybody out there, thank you so much for tuning back into Up Close, Unplugged and Uncut. It's your girl, Sounds with Shar'e, and we are live from the red carpet, brought to you by Macy's at the 2021 Passion for Fashion Week Garden Series, where we have just wrapped up day 2 of the Passion for Fashion Week Garden Series. Down here with Nicole Renee, I have the beautiful Joy Dixon and one of the top fashion designers right here. What's your name, beauty? Tell everybody out there who you are and your design line.
I'm Jasmine, designer of Urban Hippie.
I love it. The line was amazing. It's very vivid, very colorful. We have the beautiful Joy rocking one of your looks. What inspired you to start your line, and what inspired you to make that dope hat?
I'm not really sure what inspired me to start the line. I just started it a couple years ago, in 2018. But the hat, really the bright and wildness of her made. I don't know. The color, yeah.
Well, it's very beautiful. Yes, honey, you better work that hat, Joy. Give us a spin real quick. Let's see that in lifetime. Yes, I love it. It's matching your colorful dress shirt that you have on with the leggings. You get the shoes. Let's get those shoes, Antonio. Yes, we got One Shot Photography here behind the scenes. Thank you so much today, sir. And you've seen it live here first. Make sure you don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to soundsofshare.net. I'm bringing you exclusive footage you won't see anywhere else. Don't go anywhere because I have some exclusive backstage looks from the runway today with the beautiful urban hippie look you won't see anywhere else. Don't go anywhere. You're kicking it all summer long.
I'm bringing you fashion like you won't see anywhere else, so stay tuned to soundsofshare.net.